So I was expecting maybe a 34 or 35, and I was pretty surprised that I got a 36 because I thought I messed up on one or two reading questions, but it turns out I actually got a full score on that section. So it really surprised me that I got a full score. So I took a lot of practice tests, I would say about maybe 10 to 12, and I identified my most commonly missed questions, and if it was in the math section, then I changed some numbers in the question and sort of made up my own questions, and then I solved those. But then if it was in the reading or the science section, then I tried searching up other practice tests, and I solved those questions. So I would say one of my reach schools is Johns Hopkins University, but I would be happy if I got into UCLA or UC Berkeley and stay within California. And I plan to study biology in college, and I hope to become a surgeon in the future. Biology really interests me, and I realized that if I put my mind to it, then I really excelled in that class. So I think it's a possible career for me. So the course I took and the classes in the course helped me refresh on concepts that I had learned earlier, and they weren't as clear in my mind, and they really helped, and the classes helped me sort of relearn those concepts, and that really helped during the test. And also the workbook that Excel provided, I saw a lot of similar questions that were in the workbook and that were also on the test, so that helped me. And also after the course ended, I really took advantage of Exam Club, because Exam Club helped, it simulated a real testing environment, and it also helped me practice my time management. I would highly recommend Excel test to all my friends. Excel test is the best way to prepare for the ACT exam, and Excel test helped me because they gave me a lot of additional resources after the course had ended, such as Exam Club for 6 months free. And I really utilized Exam Club because it helped simulate a real testing environment, helping practice my time management skills. And of course, by practicing more and more tests, it made me become more familiar with the real ACT. And it also helped me refresh on concepts that I had learned in previous years.